What's going on YouTube? Your TikTok barber. Today in this video, I will be doing like a drop fade, but he had hair on the top and everything. So I want you guys to sit back, enjoy, and you know what I'm saying. It's a nice tutorial that I just brought out. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Bro, you just gonna continue to play the game, man.
Oh, my bad.
I can't even function and tell everybody what to do.
My bad.
Continue to play the game. And let me talk to them.
Okay, go ahead, bro.
But anyway, like I was saying, make sure you guys, what I was saying?
Follow me on Instagram, bro.
Black_Prince79. It's your TikTok bar.
Your TikTok barber.
Bro, you have anything to say, man?
Yeah, man. Make sure y'all guys go follow this guy, man. Go follow this man on all social media platforms. Cause this man right here, he's like basically begging for subscribers. So just
okay, bro. That's enough. But anyway, with further ado, man, make sure you guys subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment below.
Yeah. What he said.
All the good stuff. But this your TikTok barber.
It's your TikTok barber.
And I'm out.
He said your TikTok barber, bro. Wow.
What is going on YouTube? It's your TikTok barber, man. You know what I'm saying? I had brought a video out last week, but I just said I wanted to bring another one out this week just to keep my content, updated. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I got my boy Day in the chair and everything. He just came in for that fresh drop fade type of look. And then he did say he want the hooks. So actually the C cups, I don't know why I call them hooks, but he wanted the hooks and everything. So, hey, I did my boy right. But before any haircut, I always make sure you grab that comb and comb your client's hair because, you don't want to just run your clippers through somebody's head and they never just just combed it because, you want your clippers to feed through the way they're supposed to feed through. And that's another way of you preventing from dulling your blades. First of all, you want to make that first initial guideline. Remember to always keep it clean and, just brush as you go. And, make sure everything is just clean because one thing about me, when I'm cutting hair, I want to bust that panel out so I can just see where I'm going to fade it. And, just always, like I said, keep that brush in your hand and, just let the clippers do the work. And one thing about the clippers, don't put too much pressure on that initial guideline because at the end of the haircut, that's what you got to look at, that initial guideline for to see where, the fade start and, where the fade ended. And on this part right here, I grabbed the 08 blade on my detachable Oster 76s and I go up an inch or so just to keep everything, consistent. Remember to always follow that first guideline because once you make that first initial guideline, the other will fall in place, just keep everything just, consistent and measure your cuts. I know I'm talking too fast, I'm jumping blades, but I'm trying to keep up with the video because I'm fast forwarding while I'm doing the tutorial. This is my first time doing it. But yeah, I got the 1.5 blade on there. I'm going up to, the occipital bone and just keeping everything just professional and consistent. But you don't want to go too far. Remember, always, every time you cut hair, remember that you just want to just have enough room to fade. That's one thing about being a barber, man. Just always have room to fade. And yeah, now I got the 1A blade on there. I'm going underneath the 1.5 just to lighten up that 1.5. And one thing again, bro, look, check this out. Always go over your cuts. Because you want the haircut to be blurry, man, you got to constantly go over it. Make sure everything, just consistent. The way you bust that panel out is the way you want to end that haircut. That's all I got to say. And yeah, right here I have the the 0 blade on my Oster fast feed, and I'm just just taking out that 1A from the detachable blade. I'm taking that out, fainting that line, and then I will come back without a 0 blade, and just start doing detail. Everything just fall in place. It just depends on how you consider your haircuts to end because every barber have their own signature of how they want to do things. And right here I have a Babyliss Pros, and that's what I'm talking about right there. I'm knocking that bottom line out that I started with the what I'm trying to say with my Babyliss trimmers. So you had to do a little adjustment play on this part right here because you don't want that line to be shown at the end of the haircut. That's the most important part right there, that bottom line. I mean, everything else, like the fade, is important now. But the most important thing is knocking that bottom line out just to get everything situated. Y'all guys got to excuse me because this is my first time doing a tutorial in like a fast forward motion. That's the good way to say it. But yeah, just make sure everything's clean. You see the fade came about. And yeah, I'm doing a little face work on him, you know what I'm saying? Now on the edge up part, he said he wanted me to comb his hair down at the front and, you know what I'm saying, just knock it down with the one and give me a fresh edge up. You guys is about to see, I had to grab 2 combs for the part it off to make sure, you know what I'm saying, it was to his consistent, I'm sorry. Yeah, but anyway, yeah. You see how I'm knocking that front line down, you know what I'm saying, dust them off right quick, get them right, and go back over it. You remember to always go over stuff numerous of times because you don't want to just go over something one time and then next thing you know you have a piece of hair standing up. And I sprayed some Tresemme on this edge up, gave me blow dried and everything, make sure that line's sticky. And then, you know, so I walked out of the room, came back in because I thought somebody called me. But anyway, let's just get back into the tutorial. You see I'm edging them up. Take your time, edge them up. And another thing, learn how to edge with your left hand because, you know what I'm saying, you just can't just use your dominant hand all the time. Remember, you know what I'm saying, train a hand that want to be trained, man. I mean, I'm a barber, so I got to train, you know, my left hand is, you know, do what my right hand do. And yeah, and this the hooks right here. That's what he wanted right there, the hooks. Everybody call them what? Chicago C's, curves. I call them hooks. Just a reminder, guys, I shoot all my videos with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I can't say I lost memory with the battery because, you know, I had my phone on charger. The only thing I lost storage, and I had to start my tutorial back over, and this is the end results of the haircut right here. I really didn't record the part about when I would put the enhancements in, but I put Kiss Express on this edge up and followed along with the Folix powder and gave him a straight razor and everything. But you know what I'm saying? You see how the haircut ended up. But man, I lost the footage of when I was putting the enhancements on him. That's the very most important part I want to show you guys, just the enhancement part. But you can just see the outcome of the haircut right now. I mean, the edge up is sharp. Everything is consistent. Like I said, once you start a haircut neat, always end it neat. And don't forget to do your detail work. And that's about it. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, that's, you know, basically it. But it's your TikTok barber, man, you know what I'm saying. I got them fresh cuts on deck. Hit your boy up, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, you know what I'm saying, I will be dropping like Get Beam say, I will be dropping bangers every week. So y'all be looking out for them videos. My video quality is a little weak right now. Like I said, I'm recording on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but you know what I'm saying, it get greater later. But with further ado, it's your TikTok barber, and I'm out. Peace.